Do, does, am, is, are. Which one we should use in a sentence? If it's your question, you have to watch this video. Hi, welcome to your channel. I hope you're doing well. So I'm Hossein and today we want to learn about auxiliary verbs like do and does and be verbs like am, is, are. So let's see in which sentences we should use auxiliary verbs and in which sentences we can use be verbs. So the first thing that you should know is, so for do, you should use some subjects like I, you, we, and they. And for does, you should just use three subjects like he, she, and it. And if you don't know about be verbs, so you can watch this video and you can learn about be verbs. So let me say that again. So for am, we should just use I. For is, we can use three subjects like he, she, and it. And for are, we have to use you, they, and we. So we will call them to be verbs, but do and does in simple present, we will call them auxiliary verbs. So now let's see in which sentences we can use auxiliary verbs and in which sentences we should use be verbs. So you should know if in your sentence you have a verb, you should use auxiliary verb. So auxiliary verb like do or does. But sometimes when we have a sentence, we don't have a verb. So, for example, we have a noun. So what should we use? We should use be verbs like am, is, are. So let me write that here, be verbs. So let's solve some sentences and let's understand we should use do, does, or be verbs like am, is, are. Let's see. So number one, you could. So do I have a verb in this sentence? So this is my subject and this is not a verb. So that's an adjective. So because cold, that is not a verb, so what should I use? I should use be verbs. And because here I have you, so which one I can use? Are. So are you cold? So let's see number two. They speak English. So I have subject and that is they. And do I have a verb? Yes. What's my verb? That is speak. So when I have a verb, I should use do or does. So because here my subject that is they, so which one I should use? Do. Do they speak English? Number three. Julia at home. So my subject, that is, and do I have a verb? No, I don't have a verb. So I should use be verbs. So we said that for he, she, it, we should use is. So I have to use is. So number four, he from Italy. So the subject, that is he, and we have subject he, we have to use is. So is he from Italy? Next one, number five, David drink coffee. So what is my subject? My subject, that is David, and David, that's he. But do I have a verb? Yes, I have. What's my verb? My verb, that is drink. So when I have a verb in my sentence, I should use do or does. And when the subject, that is he, she, or it, I should use does. So does David drink coffee? Next one. What you have in your bag. So the subject that I have, that is you. So do I have a verb in this sentence? Yes. What's that? That's have. So when you have a verb in your sentence, so you should use do or does. And because here we have the subject you, so which one we should use? Do. So what do you have in your bag? So let's see number 7. So the example is how much money she need. So what's the subject? The subject, that is she. And do I have a verb? Yes. What's my verb? My verb, that is need. So when I have a verb in the sentence and my subject, that is she, I have to use does. How much money does she need? Next one. They need any help. So my subject, that is they. And do I have a verb? Yes, I have. What's my verb? My verb, that is need. So when my subject, that is they, and I have a verb, so what should I use? I should use do. Do they need any help? Next one. You happy. So my subject, that is you. And do I have a verb? No, I don't have. So I have to use be verbs. So because I have you, so I should use are. Are you happy? And the last one, how often you go out. So my subject, that is you. And do I have a verb? Yes, my verb, that is go. So when I have a verb in this sentence and my subject, that is you, I have to use do. So how often do you go out? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn English and even improve your English, you can subscribe this channel and like this video. So for more English videos, you can subscribe us. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.